Fox News alert, Israel striking Beirut just hours after an apparent assassination attempt on Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The attempt on Netanyahu's life coming by way of a drone.
So, Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu's home was just targeted by a drone attack. Shit's getting real. Let's talk about it. So how's it going, everyone? I'm going to try not to make this one too long. But, you know, just more of this issue of the World War III issue, right? I suppose I should be watching what I say, what certain words you use for the algorithms or whatever. But we have Netanyahu's home targeted by drones, by a drone attack, right? And this is how the news is painting it. And, you know, I'm not going to try to take too much away from it or anything. I want to show you the clip here, and then I want to just quickly touch on something maybe we should all just think a little differently about. But let's check out the clip.
Out of the Middle East as we get a look at what appears to be an assassination attempt by Hezbollah on Israel's Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu. Axios reporting that Netanyahu's home in the coastal town of Caesarea was hit by an explosive drone launched from Lebanon by the terror group days after Israel killed Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar. Now, this photo right here on your screen was posted on social media by Dr. Eli David, a well-known researcher and lecturer. David says this is from one of Iran's official Telegram channels showing the direct hit on Netanyahu's home.
Okay, so basically they're painting the picture as if he's the target, and there's no for sure proof of that he's actually, that it was actual trying to target him and take him out. But, I mean, it very well could be, right? But on that brings me to the point I want to make. Shouldn't this be how the wars are being fought anyways? Right? Isn't it about time that you two are, that you leaders are taking each other out instead of all the innocent people who have nothing to do with these decisions, right? And I'm not saying any innocent people are being spared right now, and that's how it's going on. But if you notice, Israel's taking out some top commanders, and now supposedly the other side is targeting their top guy, right? So, but shouldn't that be the way wars are going? Why don't you guys fight your own damn battles, right? That's what I got to say about it. What should he expect? He's been taking out all these other people. Shouldn't he expect to be a target? Now he's on here on the news, you know, walking around like nothing. Now he's released his own thing. I'll show you a little clip about that.
2 days ago, we took out Yahya Sinwar, the terrorist mastermind whose goons beheaded our men, raped our women, burnt babies alive. We took him out, and we're continuing our battle with Iran's other terrorist proxies. We're going to win this war.
But, we're going to win this war. It's all about that. Who cares about all the innocent lives, right? And because the thing is, the truth is, when it comes to war, all the top people, all the rich people, the ones who are making the decisions to go to war, they are rarely ever the ones that are at risk and have to be concerned about the outcome of that war, right? So I say it's about damn time things start going this way. You want a war, then you should have to live in the fear of the consequences of that war, right? Not the rest of the innocent people. People should be able to be just roaming around. Your nation should be able to be at war, and you're roaming around somewhere where you're minding your business, you're fine. Where you don't want to be is wherever their leaders are, right? Because they're the ones that wanted to go to war, but that's never the way it is. That's just my 2 cents on that, right? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep all of his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. For God will bring every work into judgment with every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil. See you.